Hey Emma, how are you today?
Hi, John. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about shopping problems. Have you ever returned a broken product?
Yes, my cousin bought a blender and it stopped working after 1 day. He was so upset.
Oh no, what did he do?
He took the box, the receipt, and went back to the store. He said, "Excuse me, this blender is broken. It doesn't work." The worker checked it and gave him a new one.
That's nice. I returned headphones last year. One side didn't work. I felt nervous, but I stayed calm.
What did you say?
I said, "Hi, I bought these headphones 2 days ago, but they are broken. Can I get my money back?" They gave me a full refund. It was easy.
Good job. Let's practice quickly. You be the store worker.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I bought this toaster last week, but it's broken. The bread doesn't toast. Can I return it?
Sure. Do you have the receipt? Okay, here's your money back. Sorry about the problem.
Thank you.
See? Simple and polite works best.
Yes, keep the receipt, speak slowly, and smile. Don't be afraid to ask.
Exactly. It feels good to fix problems like this. True. Thanks for talking, John. See you later. Bye, Emma. Have a great day.